You're traveling or just need a cane that is lightweight, carbon fiber, comes with everything that you need. A nice carrying case, and inside the carrying case it'll fit everything and hold the 4-position foot, the cane with the wooden handle, and the carrying case. Simply open up the strap, drop the cane handle like so. What we're going to do is show you how to set up your cane and change the parts out and how strong this cane is. I'm giving enough flex and force on the whole cane, and we'll show you what the cane's all about. You're looking for a lightweight cane, wooden handle, carbon fiber. This may be right for you. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside and how nicely they are packed. As we open up, we have a carrying case, a staple handle, and 2 types of feet, a solid and a 4-position, easy to change out. An instruction guide to go over at your leisure, a neoprene case-like with the handle. As we open up the case and show you what you get inside, is your small, adjustable travel cane. A close-up look at the cane with the Velcro strap, the carbon fiber, and ridging. Some measurements of the cane. 33 inches in the lowest by holding the last pole and pressing in on the button. You have 5 buttons to give you the maximum height of 37 inches. Press, rotate, and look for the pin for the second to the last hole by grabbing and snapping in. Locking in is simply taking the bars on one and you are officially locked in. In order to remove the bottom post or foot part, it is 1.5 inch diameter. Just grab, rotate, and pull off like so. Inside should be a washer, as you can see. The 4-piece foot post also has a washer built in for added support by simply placing on and then to the floor by just giving a push down. Give a little twist to make sure it's on there solid, and we are with a 4-position area that the cane can stand up. The handle is up to 6 inches, about 1 inch in diameter, a wooden handle with a strap. So in case you are walking and the cane starts to slip, the strap is prevention. Lightweight, carbon fiber, strong, foldable in a matter of seconds, for transportation to wherever you need to have your cane. The design of the cane is silver, black carbon design. It snaps together and ready for use. So if you're looking for a cane to walk around, are looking for in the cane for walking and more. Enjoy your cane if this is what you are looking for in a portable cane. It is lightweight, foldable, easy to use, carbon fiber, easy to set up, and strong. You could bang it around and not worry. It is capable of holding large amount of weight. Enjoy your cane if this is what you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.